Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on the instrument panel. It's really simple. You know, once you get in there and start messing with the buttons, you'll understand. But the select button over on the left basically toggles through the different choices. You know, fuel consumption, battery, air temperature, whatever you prefer. But when you get to a certain field that you want to change, that's when you have to hit both buttons at the same time, where you press and hold the selection and the set button. So once you do that, this goes into basically the settings mode. So you switch fields by hitting the button on the right, the set button, and then you get to the designated field that you want to change, and when you do that, you press select. This is the display brightness. You can see I'm saving that at the brightest level. So it's just back and forth. You basically change it with the set button, and you not really change it, but you get to that prompt for the set button, and then the select button is how you move the time up or down, whatever you want to do. Anyway, it's kind of hard to explain just by watching the video here, but once you get in there and start playing around, you can figure it out. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. There's really only two buttons you have to worry about. To reset the oil indicator, press and hold the set button down as you start the bike. Not really start it, but turn on the ignition to almost where you start the bike and keep it pressed down, and you'll see the oil indicator light go away. And that's it. Hope this is helpful. I'll have stuff in the links too for you guys.